We are work out some problem now. All right, ready now? All eyes on the board. This is an easy 10 marks on a ramping. Find A. A is equal to my sexy bracket, everything in A. You know, business about nothing else. Don't focus on what share. Don't focus on anything. Everything in the circle A. So in this circle A, what are the numbers in it? 1, 7, 6, 11, 15, 2. So everything in that. B. Once again for B, you don't care about C, you don't care about nothing. Everything in the circle B. Don't business if it's shared or not shared. It is in the circle B. What is in the circle B? 4, 11, 15, 15. Now, how you check if you're right? You count up the numbers in it. B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have less than 5 or more than 5, you're wrong. C. 9, 8, 4, 11, 15, and 2. Once again, you don't business about A, you don't business about B, you don't business about shared. Once it is in the circle C, it is in the set C. So this is a circle C. So what is in it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So we know it's a circle C are going to be 8, 9, 4, 15, 11, 2. Now remember, it don't matter what formation you write them, as long as they're in the set. Come now, who get them right so far? A intersects B. No. A intersect B is everything that is in this area here. This is A intersect B. Everything in here is A intersect B. And that is going to be what? Now, some persons came and said, if it also intersects C, it's not in it. Is that true? No. Once it is shared by A and B, it no matter if C involved. They're still in love on the side. So 6, 11, 15. Still in love. You know them tune there? Yes, on the side. Still in love. On the side. You don't belong to me. I don't. You know them bad tune them was there? They don't know them tune there no Brazilian. A intersect C. A, come. A intersect C will be all the numbers that is in shared by A and C, which will be all of this here. Everybody see that? 2, 11, 15. No, shh. Oi. Now, if you realize right here, so, 11 and 15 is also in A and B. But we don't business, we only want AC. And so once it is in AC, no matter if it's shared otherwise, is A intersect C. Everybody see that? A union B. Union mean coming together. So A union B is going to be everything that is in A and B. Still in love on the side. So A union B is all of this. Want to see that? Everybody see that? So still in love on the side. Still in love on the side. 176, 11, 15, 2, 4, 3. You don't belong to me. I don't belong to you. Still, we're together. Find A intersect B intersect C. A intersect B intersect C. Watch it now. Look at this trick. Look at this trick. Since A intersect B intersect C equals to A intersect B intersect C. So A intersect B intersect C equal A intersect B intersect C. It also equal B intersect C intersect A. Don't make no difference. But may I use A intersect B intersect C. The bracket means say you have to find A intersect B first. We already have A intersect B. You see it? Everybody see that? So you say, where A intersect B equals to, what it equal? 6, 11, 15. You see that? And C equal, tell me about C, we have C already. 8, 9, 4, 15, 11, 2. It implies that A intersect B intersect C equal what is shared between these two? 11 and 15. A and S, A intersect B intersect C equals 11 and 15. Everybody understand that? No? Who don't understand it? Watch me. Eyes on the board. A intersect B intersect C is equal to A intersect B all intersect C. You see? We already have A intersect B. We found that. Not true. Oi! We found A intersect B. So we say where, this is the word W-H-E-R-E. A intersect B equal right back what we have 6, 11, 15. Also where C is equal to this. So A intersect B, this, intersect this. So all we have to do is look in the two of them and see what numbers are shared. What number shares? 6 is in this? 11 is in this? 15 is in this? So only 15 and 11. So you take the smallest one and you see what in the smallest one is in the biggest one. Now, before this, You da try find A and I look at B and I looking at this area. See it there? Only this area. You know see how it's simple? Everybody see it? A complement union B. All right. First thing, find A complement. Finding A complement, because we never found it. A complement equal all the things not in A. Everybody understand that? So you draw your A circle, and you're going to say everything not in A is A complement. So all of this come out, and everything else is in the set A complement. Are you understanding, Brad Bean? Good. So what is in A complement? Brad Bean. A complement. What? What? 3 and 4? That's it? What about 9? What about 8? What about 19? What about 17? Are they not all not in A? Is 8 in A? That means it's a part of A complement. Is 3 in A? That means a part of A complement. 4, is that in A? Part of A complement. 9, part of A complement. 17, part of A complement. 19, part of A complement. 7, not a part of A complement because 7 is in A. You see how simple it is? Yes, sir. B equal. What B equal to? We define B. What B is equal to? No. Are we finding the intersection of A complement? Is it A complement intersect B? Union B. So that means that this implies that A complement union B is everything in both A complement and B. But you only write it one time. So you don't write 3 and 3. 3 represent for 2 of them. So we have 3. 4, 6, 11, 15, 9, 8, 19, 17. Because it's union. Union means all. Everybody see that? A union C complement. Now if you realize this is all complement. So therefore, for A union C all complement, we have to first find A union C. So we're finding A union C. A union C is all of this. So A union C, all complement, is 3, 19, 17. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? To find A union C, all complement, step 1, we're going to find A union C. Now, A union C is all the numbers in both A and C. All right. So that means A union C What A union C equal? All in A, 1, 7, 6, 15, 11, 2, 9, 8, and 4. That means the A union C complement is everything in the universal set that is not in A union C. So A, therefore, A union C all complement equal to 3, 19, 17. All right. A union C complement. Now, the first one we just do was A union C all complement. Now we're doing A union C complement. We already know A. So therefore, A union C complement. Finding C complement. That means C complement is everything that is not in C. Everybody understand that? You understand that? So therefore, C complement (1, 7, 3, 19, 17). That is C complement. A, what A equal? This implies that A union C complement is everything that is both in A and C complement. 1, 7, 6, 3, 15, 11, 2, 19, 17. How 15 coming out? Is 15 in A? And we said union. Now what if we said A intersect C complement? Then we'll see what is shared between A and C complement. 1 is shared. Everybody understand? 1 is shared. 7 is shared. Is 3 shared? 19? 17? So that's the answer. When you want to find an intersection, you use the smallest one and see what is shared. Easier so. You understand? So A union C complement is this. But A intersect C complement is this. 60 students is offered history and geography. Every student takes at least one of these subjects, and some take 2. 55 take history, and 45 take geography. How many take both? All eyes. Read it for me. 60 students. See that? That means that the total is 60. So if that are 60. Read again. Every student take at least one. That means that nothing will be in the box outside of the circle. Let's pay attention now, man. Suppose them say 5 students did none. You see? But every student take 1. That means that none is outside of either geo or history. See that? Everybody see that? How much did both? We do not know. How much did history? Is that correct? Huh? 45 minus x, I got to take G alone. 55 minus x, I got to take history alone. Because x take both. You not see that? Everybody see that? Over here, so now. Oi. Huh? Universal. In this case, the universal set, the number in the universal equal to the number in A union B. Why? Because nobody did none. If there was some out here, so then the universal would not have equal A union B. But because all did 1 or 2, then the number in the universal equal A union B. Everybody see that? If it was that 5 was out here, so then A union B would have equal to universal set minus 5. You understand? You understand? Do you understand? Yes, sir. Because minus 5, this 5 would have been A union B complement. You understand? So A union B complement, universal minus A union B complement equal to A union B. You don't see that? You don't see that? Look all logics, man. Just look on the logics. Shaded area right there, so. The shaded area is what? What is going on? The shaded area is A union B complement. Everything that is not in A union B. So the shaded area is A union B complement. You don't see that? You don't see that? Yes. That means, say, if I say total, which is the universal set, minus shaded area, A union B complement, what would you get? If we say the total box minus the shaded area, and the unshaded area I get. So that means that minus that equal to A union B. The unshaded area and A union B. Let's see logics. What is the shaded area? A union B complement everything that is not in A or B. See that this is A, that is B. Want to see that? Yes. Now, the total, the universe is represented by what? 1. 1 minus shaded area, that must mean unshaded area. Because of 2 area we have. So 1 minus the shaded area must mean the unshaded area. So the universal set minus the shaded area must be the unshaded area. So that means a universal minus A union B complement is actually equal to A union B. You understand what I'm saying? But in this case, A union B complement is equal to what? 0. Because everybody did a subject. So that is why it is 60 minus 0. That's why it is equal to the same thing. You don't see that? Who don't see that? Are those logics? You don't use no logics. Not use no reasoning. All right, so watch out now. The number in A union B is equal to the number in the universal set minus the number in A union B complement. Is there anybody that don't do history or? Sorry, union. Is there anybody that don't do maths, history or geo? So that means 60 minus 0 equals 60. And this is supposed to be H union G. Want to see the logics of that? Everybody see the logics of that? This implies that H, the number in H union G, is equal to the number in H plus the number in G minus the number in H intersect G. This implies that 60 is equal to how much in H? 55. Why don't I say 55 minus X? Because that is H only. So H is 55 minus X plus X, which gives back 55. Everybody see that? Simple logics. How much in G? 45 minus X plus X. Minus X. Unknown. 60 equal to 55 and 45, that's 100 minus X. 100 minus X equals 60. 100 equals 60 plus X. X plus 60. Why am I say X plus 60? Because 60 plus X is the same thing as X plus 60. The way you add don't affect the result. X plus 60 equal 100. X equal 100 minus 60. X equal 40. ANS X equal 40. Therefore, 40 students did both. Everybody understand that? How much elements is in A? Tell me first. A equal to? What A equal to? 1, 3, 5, 8, 12. A equal 1, 3, 5, 8, and 12. What B equal to? 7, 9, 5, 8, 6, 4. B equal to 7, 9, 5, 8, 6, 4. C. C equal to 11, 17, 12, 8, 6, 4. A intersect B. A intersect B, 5 and 8. A intersect C. A intersect C. B intersect C. B intersect C, 864. A intersect B intersect C. Eight alone. A union B union C. A union B union C. Come on. 1, 3, 5, 8, 12. 6, 4, 7, 9, 11, 17. All right, now. Watch this. Number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. Number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. Number of 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 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. Now, what did I tell you? What was the trick? Prime. Add the odds and minus the evens. So in this case, A union B union C is equal to the number in A union B union C is equal to, god damn, number in A plus number in B plus number in C minus number in A intersect B minus number in A intersect C minus number in B intersect C plus number in A intersect B intersect C. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? Yes, sir. Why we minus A intersect B? 2 set. And we minus the even. Why we minus 2 set? Why we add A intersect B intersect C? 3 set. And we add the odds. May I show you why? But the trick, 1 set, that's an odd number. Answer me, no man. So what we do with the odd numbers? So we add the 1 set, 1 set, 1 set. 2 set is an evil, so you minus. 2 set. 2 set. All right now. 3, A intersect B intersect C. Because it's an odd number. You see it? Now when I add this, then we double add this. That's why I minus it back. And we double add this. That's why I minus it back. And we double add this. That's why I minus it back. But there's one extra that I minus too much, which is A intersect B intersect C. You understand? Because part of this A intersect B intersect C is going to be in A intersect B. It's going to be in A intersect C. And it's going to be in B intersect C. You understand? Everybody understand? You understand? So that with a minus too much. So I add it back one time. Why I don't add it back 2 times? Because I'm not go over, because all of it is not in this. And all of it is not in this. Only part. You understand? Only subsets, part. So we come now. How much is in A union B union C? So 11 is supposed to equal how much in A? How much in B? How much in C? How much in A intersect B? How much in A intersect C? A intersect B intersect C is how many sets? Is that an odd number or even number? What did I say do the odd number sets? So why are you saying minus? 11 equal 5 plus 6 plus 6 minus bracket 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1. Why did I put minus this bracket here? Because all of them are going to add up to equal negative. Negative from negative equal a bigger negative. So I put the minus side and then I add them together. Now that me teach you now. When you're minusing from a minus, what I say you want to do? Put the minus sign and add. So you say minus 2. So you say minus 2 plus 2 plus 3, 7. Everybody see that? Then you add back your 1. 11 equal to 17 plus 1 minus 7. Why did I carry the plus 1 here? Bomb das. Addition before subtraction. So I carry back my addition, come do it. Everybody see that? Equal to 18 minus 7. 11 equal 11. Is that correct? 11 have equal 11. You don't say it, you don't understand? You don't say it simple. Let me show you it's simple. If I was to say A union B, all right, watch over here, someone want to look. A union B union C is actually equal to A union B union C. Everybody see that? So, even though this is a 3 circle, I can make it into a 2 circle by taking out A union B complement. You know see it? Everybody understand that? So A union B, not this. So when we want union C, I'm going to have to do add C. So A union B union C is A union B union C. You see that? You see it simple? Who don't understand? Who understand? Good. So what happened here is that this here, A is actually 5 minus X minus Y. Because A by itself of a minus, I'm going to say this is X where it intersects B. I'm going to say this is Y where it intersects C. I'm going to say this is Z. Everybody see that? You don't see that? Because by itself, it have to minus everything. Now, look at this now. Just look on the trick, you know. What is A intersect B? In this case, X and Z, X plus Z elements. So that means that A by itself is equal to A minus A intersect B. Now, so you go. A by itself. You know, have to minus it from A intersect B if it was only 2. Now, so you go. Where A intersect B is equal to what? Is equal to X plus Z. Now, this is A intersect B. And another X plus Z. So, A intersect B equal to X plus Z. So, this 5 minus X plus Z. You see that? Now, this X plus Z now, bracket. So, A by itself, you only now using the logic, man. A by itself. If I minus that, is it A by itself? Because it still have piece of C, you know, see? So I have to also take away my Y, you know, see? To get A by itself. So therefore, A by itself are equal to this. And then now it will also minus A intersect C. Everybody see that? Now, A intersect C is what? A intersect C. No, man, just X and Y. No, X and our. Our X and Y. May I replace the numbers? Take out the numbers. These are those Y. These are X. These are Z. So may I minus 1 now? A intersect C. X and Y? A intersect C, Z and Y. So minus Z plus Y. Want to see that? But want to realize right also. We minus Z 2 times. What is Z? A intersect B intersect C. That's why I have to add it back. Because my minus out 2 times. You don't see that? That's the reason I have to add back A intersect B intersect C. Everybody understand that? Yeah. Want to see how it's simple? You see it? Logics. Very much logics. So, since you go on like on the bright. All right, based on the question, 120 people were surveyed. Yeah. That is the number in the universal set. 60 play track. 86 football. Cricket, 64. Number of people that did track and football, 32. Number of people that did track and cricket, 38. Number of people that did football and cricket, 34. And the number of people that did football, cricket, and track, unknown. X. First thing we know. Oh, you say, yo, second long now, no, man. First thing we know. Universal set equal 120. So the total number of persons, total number of persons, 120. Is there anybody that played no sport at all? No. Now, if there was somebody that played no sport at all, it would have in the box, but not in a circle. But everybody played a sport. That means that they'll be represented by a circle. The first circle I'll draw, track. Is there anybody that did track and football? Yes. That means that the football circle will intersect the track circle. Now, if it was that nobody played track and football, it would look like that. Everybody understand? Yes. But once there's some people that do both of them, it must intersect. Is there anybody, football, is there anybody that played football and cricket? Yes. That means cricket must intersect football. Is there anybody that played track and cricket? Yes. That means cricket must intersect track. Is there anybody that did all three? So it's going to look something like that. Everybody understand? Now this here, all three, is known as X. Everybody see that? All right, now. We are going to know, what's going on here? Fill out the bracket. Fill out the spaces. This is cricket. Now football and cricket, right here, so, is football and cricket only. How many people played football and cricket? Meaning F intersect C. 34. How many played football and cricket only? 34 minus X. Because of those who play football and cricket, 34, some played football, cricket, and track. If a man play football, cricket, and track, he not play football and cricket too. Yeah. So if you want to find who play football and cricket only, you have to minus who they play track with it. Yeah. Everybody understand? You understand? Oh, you understand, sir? Good. How many people played track and football? Meaning track intersect football. 32. You write 2 upside down. Yo, don't ask me no question. 32. But 32 people played track and football. Now, in that 32 that played track and football, some played track, football, and cricket. So if I want to know who played track and football only, what do I have to do? You have to minus those who played track, football, and cricket. So therefore, you minus X. You see that? Everybody see that? Everybody see that? How many people played track and cricket, meaning track intersect cricket? 38. However, some of these 38 play track, cricket, and football. So if I want to know who played track and cricket only, you minus X. Now I'm going to come over here and show you something. How many people played football and track only? Only. Football and track only. Football and track only. 32 minus X. 32 play football and track. They didn't tell you only. That means that the man will play football, track, and cricket. Doesn't he play football and tracks too? So how much play football and track only? 32 minus X. Play football and track only. How much people play football, track, and cricket? So if I add football, track, and cricket, then I will have 32 minus X plus X. 32 plus 0 equal 32. So 32 people played football and track. You see that? So you come back. But 32 minus X played football and track only. Everybody understand that? Everybody understand that? All right. Good. So now we want to find how many people played football only. Not how much people play football, but played football alone. So the first thing you have to say, how many people played football? How many people played football? 86. So for football, the union is 86. Total. 86 played football. What I say you're going to do? You minus the evens and you add the odds. How many people played football and track? How many people played football and football, right? Football and cricket? 34. So therefore, right here what we're saying is the number in F minus the number in T intersect F minus the number in C intersect F. And what we do with the odds? What we do with the odds? You add the odds. So you plus X, which is the number in F intersect C intersect T. So that is going to give us now 86 minus 32 minus 34 plus X. Give you 20 plus X. Now somebody say, why is it that you add X down here, sir? Why you add X down here, sir? Because this here is 32 this here is including an X. Not true. T intersect F. It includes this. The 32. That's why we don't want to know only with minus X. You see? Everybody understand? The 32 include F intersect T intersect C, which is X. No. This also include X. 34 include X, not true? That's why we want to find only with minus X. So what we have done is to subtract X twice. Therefore, we have to add back one of the X. Everybody see that? Huh? Who don't see it? All right. 32 is those who play track and football. But it also includes those who play track, football, and cricket. Because that total play track and football as well. Everybody understand that? So you minus it, which means say you minus who play track and football only, and you minus who play track, football, and cricket. Everybody understand? You come here, so now. Yes? And you minus again. Everybody understand that? So you say, all right, we're showing you wickeder then, you know, the wickeder maths. When you check the situation, you want to say this 86, those who play football, minus those who play track and football, because those who play track and football don't only play football only. Minus those who play track, football, cricket and football, because those who play cricket and football don't play football only. Minus those who play cricket, football, and tracks, because they don't play football only. Everybody understand that? Now, right here, you minus X. And right here, you minus X. So you have minused it twice. To cancel out one of them, what you do? Add it back. You know, understand? If me comes and give you $2, if you cancel it out, you have to give me back $1. If I $1 more you. No, so you go. If me give you 20 grand, you wouldn't have to give me back 10 grand, which is the opposite of me giving you. So because you minus this 2 times, you have to add it back. Everybody see it? 1 time. If you add it back 2 times, what happens? You don't cancel out the full transaction. But you want to minus it 1 time. Everybody understand? You understand? Good. So therefore, this is going to be equal to 86 minus 66 plus x equal to 20 plus x. But all you have to remember, minus the evens and add the odds. Everybody with me? Cool. Except right, so you know, say there's a minus x from there. So these are 20 plus x. The other one now, track only. Tell me now, talk to me, track only. How much people do track? All right, wait. What is it going to be equal to? Track only. Number in track minus number in football intersect track minus number in cricket intersect track or football coming into the track plus number in football intersect track intersect cricket. That is equal to 60, 32 minus 38 plus x. That is equal to 60 minus bracket 32 plus 38 plus x equal to, why did I put 32 plus 38? Minus, minus. So you put the negative sign and add them. 32 and 38, that will be 70 plus x equal minus 10 plus x. Now, minus 10 plus x is also equal to x minus 10. May I show you why? Minus 10 plus x, the way in which you add numbers don't affect the result, not true? So that means you can equally say x plus minus 10. Not true? Cumulative law. Now x plus minus 10, positive and negative, give you what? Give you what? Positive and negative, give negative. Give you x minus 10. You see that? In fact, need a duster holder. In fact, when you say 5 minus 3, it can equally be 5 plus minus 3. You see that? And it can equally be negative 3 plus 5. Because the way in which you add don't affect the result. Everybody see that? And you see your logics? Simple logics. So if you come to now write negative 10 plus x in this here, you have to look dunce. So you just say, and you look bright. 2 of them right, you know. But one man does look like him a guess. And one man look like he understands mathematics. See that? So if you want to impress a girl later, you just say, prove that negative 10 plus x equal to x minus 10. She go there like, no, no, no. And you just show her and she said, Lord, in writing. Ready now? We want to find cricket only. What am I going to write? Number of cricket minus number cricket intersect football minus number cricket intersect track plus number cricket intersect football intersect track equal to 64 minus 34. See them over here, so you know. 64 minus bracket 34 plus 38 plus x equals 64 minus 72 can be 70. 30 and 30 are 60 and 8, 68 and 4, 72. Equal, this is going to be equal to negative 72 plus 64. That's going to equal 12 minus 4. This is a minus 8. How many know? When you minus a big number from a little number, you put the negative sign, bracket, and you turn it around. What? You want a big head, boy? Me say when you have a big number from a bigger number from a smaller number, you put the minus sign and you turn it around. So minus 74 minus 72 minus 64. 70 minus 60. 70 minus 64. 70 minus 64 gives 6, 8. Eh? Everybody see that? Mm-hmm. So this is minus 8 plus x. Minus 8 plus x is equal to x plus negative 8 equal to x minus 8. Is in where you add and multiply to affect the result. Is in the way. Which law is that? No, this is all. This never in the question, you know. We just teach you how to do that because they can ask you how to make this. Now I'm going to show you the question. I'm going to solve for x. You understand? So I'm going to solve for x. What we say now? We say that the number in F union T union C is equal to the number in add the ones. Sure. Add the odds. F plus the number in T plus the number in C. What we do with the evens? Minus the evens. So all of them we have two sets here, go minus. Minus number in T and F minus number in T and C minus number in C and F, and then you plus the 3 one number in C intersect F intersect T. This implies that 120, which is F union T union C. In this case, F union T union C is equal to the universal set because there's nothing outside of the circle. Everybody understand? If something was outside the circle, you will minus it from the universal set and get what F is. And get what the union is. Everybody understand that? So equal to number in F, 86, plus number in T, plus number in C, 64, minus number in T intersect F, minus number in T intersect C. 38 minus number in C intersect F. 34 plus X. This implies that 120 equal 86 and 60. That is a 120. This is a 200. This is a 210. 210. 210. How do I get 210? 86 plus 60 plus 64. I'm going to say 80 plus 60 plus 60 plus 6 plus 4. Which give me 80 plus 120 plus 10. Which give me 200 plus 10. Which give me 210. Distributive law. 86 are 80 plus 6. So I can carry me plus 6 somewhere else because the way in which you add numbers don't affect the result. Commutative law. So 120 equal to 210 minus bracket. Why do I put minus bracket? What? Now I have to check it again, I'm certain. Huh? Because I add because a minus from a minus. So you just put your minus sign bracket and add them. 32 plus 38 plus 34 plus X separate. 120 equal to 210 minus what is now? This is going to be 30 and 30, 60, 70, 104. $120 equal to 210 minus 104, that are 110 minus 4, that are 106. 106 plus X equal 120. X plus 106 equal 120. X equal 120 minus 106. X equal 14. So X is equal to 14. Everybody see that? How many people played track only? X minus 10. Minus 10 equal to 4, play track only. How many people played football only? 20 plus X, 20 plus 14, 34. How many people played cricket only? X 14 minus 8 equal to 6. How many people played track and football only? 32 minus X, that are 32 minus 14. 32 minus 14, that are going to be 22 minus 4, that are going to be 18. How many people played, what did I just say a while ago? How many people played track and cricket only? 38 minus X, 38 minus 14, 24. How many people played cricket and football only? 34 minus 14 equal 20. How many people played track, cricket, and football? X, which is 14. So that means that all of this is supposed to add up and give me back 120. 6 and 4, 10. 10 and this are 44. 44, 54. 54, 58 and 4, that are 62. 62 and 4, 66 and 4. 70, 80, 100, 120. Calculator. So your answer is correct. No. This is another type of way it can come. It can come and ask you to make the Venn diagram. If it asks you that, you have to do all of this. It can come and tell you, solve for x. If that, you do this. It can come and tell you how many people played football or track only. And then you have to find this, but you don't have to draw the Venn diagram. And then you have to do this. Are you understanding what I'm saying? You have to know, say, football only is 20 plus x. You have to solve for that. And then you solve for x. And then you work it out. It can come any one of these three ways. It can come at the last part of the paper for 15 marks or 30 marks. And then you have to do all of this.